They weren't kings, they weren't warriors, they were fishermen, tax collectors, outcasts. Yet they became the voices that shook the earth. The Chosen isn't just a series about Jesus, it's about what happens when ordinary people are touched by the extraordinary. You're watching Primeflix TV, where you watch, we decode, making stories explode. Season after season, The Chosen has done something rare. It's not Hollywood spectacle, not polished pageantry. It's raw, it's human. It takes stories most of us have heard and makes them feel brand new. We don't see miracles, we see the doubt before the miracle. The fear before the faith, the weakness before the strength. Think about it. Simon Peter isn't just the rock we read about. He's a man wrestling with failure. Mary isn't just a saint, she's someone broken and searching for light. Matthew, the tax collector, a man cut off from his people, rediscovering what it means to belong. And Jesus, not distant, untouchable, but present. Laughing, crying, walking with them. That's the magic. Now fans are buzzing about the upcoming chapters. Season 5 is already in the production, taking us closer to the most pivotal moment in the history. The entry into Jerusalem, we're moving from parables and miracles towards betrayal, sacrifice and resurrection. The stakes aren't just rising in the story, they're rising in our hearts. Because we all know what's coming. And yet we are not ready. And here's where the magic of The Chosen lies. It makes us realize these aren't just Bible characters, they are us. Our doubts, our fears, our fragile hopes reflected back at us. That's why every episode feels like it's speaking directly into our own lives. Fans are already theorizing, how will Dallas Jenkins, the creator, handle the Last Supper, the crucifixion, the resurrection? Everyone expects tears, yes, but also hope powerful enough to break through the screen. Because this series doesn't just want to tell you what happened 2000 years ago, it wants you to feel it right now. And let's not ignore the global impact. This is the first multi-season series about Jesus' life, crowdfunded into existence by the very people who wanted to see it. Millions streaming in dozens of languages and countries where faith is both celebrated and challenged. TikTok edits, memes and reaction videos show that this isn't just for churchgoers. It's for anyone who've ever asked for. What if there's more to my story? So what's next? Expect more tension among the disciplines as Jesus' fame grows and enemies close in. Expect personal struggles to hit harder as each follower realizes the cost of walking with him. And expect unforgettable moments that will leave fans saying, that was my favorite episode yet. Because here's the truth. The Chosen isn't just telling a story about him, it's telling a story about us. Broken people found, ordinary lives transformed, and a love that redefines everything. So if you leave with this question, if you were there standing on the theories of Kelly, would you have dropped everything to follow him? If this breakdown stirred something in you, hit the like button, subscribe and share it with someone who needs a reminder that even the smallest yes can change the world.